Hi there, Jan from Motection and Hyundai Staria. The first one in our shop. It's just been released, we think. Look how nice it is. Quite a good sized car. It's the same floor length as the old one. Dual sliding doors, side steps. So we're from Motection. Tie down points, they've gone back to 8. They left the sliding door ones out, which is clever. Flappy bit for the access to the fuel pump in the tank. Floor is the same length. This is a hatch door version. I'm not sure if a barn door version is coming. This has got the factory cage in it as well, done by Milfords. So this is just a quick walk around. Quite a decent sized vehicle. We're wondering if what will fit, what will not fit. Quite a good design vehicle, we think. That's the jack point that used to be in the middle. Fuel entrance still on the same side. Yeah, that hasn't changed. Ooh, there you go. The Hyundai Staria.